HBAR price analysis. Bulls consolidate attack. Hedera announces new interoperability era via Hashport portal. The 30 cents level remains intermediate support, while the sideways action goes on. Hedera, HBAR, is up 8% on the day at $0.370 following a rebound. Positive developments see to 8 HBAR's price in the near term. Hashport portal will connect Hedera with Ethereum and Polygon. Majority of tokens are posting a recovery after Wednesday's declines. Hedera, HBAR, is up 8% on the day at $0.370 following a rebound from the prior day's low of $0.326. Hedera declined to enter into consolidation shortly after hitting all-time highs at 58 cents on September 16. A few positive developments see to 8 HBAR's price in the near term. First, DBS Bank, a Singapore-based financial services group, has joined the Hedera Governing Council, becoming the first and only bank in Southeast Asia to do so. Second, Hedera announces a new era of interoperability through the upcoming Hashport portal, a new enterprise-grade public utility that enables the flow of digital assets between decentralized networks. Users will have the ability to explore DeFi, gaming, and NFT opportunities, while enterprises will be able to use Hashport to simplify key business logic. The Hashport portal will also connect Hedera with Ethereum and Polygon.key levels resistance levels $0.6000, $0.5000, $0.4000 support levels $0.3000, $0.2500, $0.2000 HBAR United States dollar daily chart. Ranging since late September, Hedera, HBAR, has traded in a broad range against the US dollar. The RSI gliding around the 50 neutral levels is indicative of consolidation. Today's rebound to highs of 40 cents pierced through the MA50 at $0.374, adding pressure on the buy side. On the downside, HBAR United States dollar seems to be forming a cluster of support in between the moving averages 50 and 200 at 37 cents and 27 cents respectively. The 30 cents level remains intermediate support while the sideways action goes on. Alternatively, a close above the 42 cents level may lead HBAR price to challenge the upper band of the current range near 45 cents once again. A breakout above the 45 cents level, the previous all-time high, could see the HBAR United States dollar pair testing towards the recent record highs at 58 cents. HBAR United States dollar 4-hour chart. Ranging looking at the 4 hours chart, the HBAR United States dollar pair is likely preparing for a major break. On the upside, an initial resistance is around the $0.378 level near the 4-hour MA50. The main range resistance zone is near the $0.414 level. A clear break above the $0.414 level is likely to set the pace for a steady increase. The next major resistance remains near the 45 cents, former all-time high, and 58 cents level. Alternatively, a decline below the MA200 at $0.366 could open the doors for further correction. In the stated case, the HBAR United States dollar pair could dive towards the $0.354 and $0.327 support levels. In the meantime, Hedera's sideways action may continue into the near term as bulls and bears tussle it out for superiority. Otherwise, HBAR may consolidate higher, boosted by fundamentals surrounding the Hashport portal launch that aims to increase the adoption of the Hedera network. Singapore Tradfi Bank DBS joins Hedera Hashgraph as a council member. The bank has become the 24th member of the Hedera Governing Council and is the first Southeast Asian bank to have joined the worldwide hyperledger organization. DBS Bank, Singapore's oldest bank, has joined the Hedera Governing Blockchain Council alongside 39 other leading technology, corporate and non-profit leaders such as Google, IBM, Deutsche Telekom, Boeing, Dentons, and LG Electronics. The bank may acquire significant value from Hedera's innovative enterprise blockchain by influencing the direction of public nodes on the Hedera platform's codebase. DBS will also provide useful input on real-world businesses and their needs through this association. Exploring emerging technologies. Bank will run a network node and will explore use cases to leverage blockchain and distributed ledger technologies for banking purposes. The council members are usually allotted 3 years to serve, which can be extended up to 2 years. Members also get equal voting rights on network upgrades. The council also encourages its members to participate in Hedera Testnet, a testing environment that allows development teams to test network capacities and offer valuable input on the same. In a statement issued by DBS Group Chief Information Officer and Head of Technology and Operations Jimmy Ng, the bank said it was looking forward to exploring new blockchain innovations that may prove beneficial for their stakeholders and customers in near future. The Singaporean bank has long been involved in leveraging blockchain for its operations and product offerings. DBS had recently launched its digital exchange, which offers crypto trading on its platform along with tokenization services and custody. The bank also has a long, well-established record of working with distributed ledger technology on the DBS Trade Finance platform. Serving approximately 9 million customers globally, DBS Bank is Singapore's largest bank in terms of asset and market cap, $81.57 billion, as of this week. The bank has established a dominant presence in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and China, and intends to increase its focus on emerging technologies such as blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Bet on Hedera if you must, but beware the blockchain paradox. Cryptocurrencies are hot, and the rising Bitcoin, CCC/BTC United States dollar, is just one of many indicators. Indeed, as the number of available cryptos to trade gets closer to 13,000, an utterly remarkable tally, there are bound to be speculative opportunities that provide a higher reward potential than BTC. Many are pointing to Hedera, HBAR United States dollar, as a potential candidate. What exactly is Hedera? Per market cap, HBAR is the most used, sustainable, enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications, or dApps for short. dApps form the basis of a new era of investing, with one of its capabilities being the democratization of rarefied activities, such as market making for digital asset pairings. Further, the crypto resource states that Hedera is designed to be a fairer, more efficient system that eliminates some of the limitations that older blockchain-based platforms face, such as slow performance and instability. Put another way, it's a better mousetrap. Of course, many proponents of will object to that characterization because it sounds like a pejorative. Hedera fosters multiple activities, such as virtual currency transactions, file sharing services, and smart contracts. It may eventually undergird the next wave of blockchain-based developments. While the implementation of relevant buzzwords certainly entices the investment thesis for Hedera, it's fair to wonder if the initial wave of blockchain applications has even occurred. Yes, I understand that there are several dApps floating around in cyberspace. But arguably none of them have reached the point of significance. For instance, Hedera isn't the first platform to facilitate file storage solutions. But to my knowledge, large-scale enterprises are not forming lines to decentralize a significant portion of their cloud computing needs. As Harvard Business Review pointed out a few years back, it will take decades for blockchain to seep into our economic and social infrastructure. Hedera and others will likely advance centralization. One of the easiest ways we can heal the current political divide is if everybody agrees to debate various issues under a defined, consistent framework. For instance, if the US wants to pursue aggressive foreign policies against China, American consumers must not then complain about higher prices at their local big box retailer. This is one of the costs of such policies. That's why geopolitics is never easy. For every action, there is a reaction. And it's the same situation with blockchain. When you consider whether you want to dive into a risky opportunity like Hedera, you should look beyond the buzzwords, decentralization, frictionless, borderless, equitable, democratization, and assess the bigger picture. In other words, will the implementation of buzzy concepts actually promote the greater good? My opinion is that applications from groundbreaking technologies like Hedera will only serve to promote the antithesis of what they initially set out to achieve. Everyone loves talking about smart contracts and getting rid of the middleman, as if that was a noble goal. But is it though?